1,600 feet, and we're now over 2,000 feet from the surface. Guys, this is all done, all these holes, all this drilling, all for this right here. This is what we came in here looking for. This is quartz right here. And this beautiful white rock is what we call our indicator stone. It carries other things that we're after. It carries gold, silver, lead, zinc, and copper. 5 minerals that we're after. So we look for this white stone, we find that, we might get lucky and find some gold or some good things. And guys, this vein right here travels miles east and west, and it rises hundreds of feet up and down. It's only about 2 feet wide. Very narrow little section. And this is what we all came for, guys. And this started almost 2,000 feet above our heads and back in 1880. 2 young gentlemen, prospectors, the Nygaard brothers, were hiking across these mountains looking for these seams, sampling them, looking for those minerals. In 1880, they stumbled upon this one. They worked on it for over 20 years, moving themselves down from 12,800 feet down to 1,280. At 12,080 feet, they found some gold in that vein. That's where they built that beautiful 3-story bunkhouse, guys, and that's what got the old 100 rolling. They built that beautiful bunkhouse, the tram system, a mill down below, and we started to mine. And they worked like that, guys, up into the 50s, on 4 different levels up above us, mining out lead, silver, zinc, copper, things like that. In 1968, a company by the name of Dixie Lynn came and purchased this mine. Instead of working way up there where the old timers were, they came down to the bottom of this mountain. They had newer tools, better technology. So we came down to the bottom of the mountain. They pushed this tunnel in all the way, looking for this same seam that those old timers were working way above us. When we pushed this tunnel in, guys, we found the bottom of it. So there are no tunnels below us. Dixie Lynn then came in and they turned this into 2 tunnels. This right here is where all of our men and equipment head up into the mine, and this side is what we call our haulage tunnel. This is where all the material comes down through our chutes to be loaded on our train and hauled back out of the mountain. Either go to the mill for further processing or to be dumped on the side as overburden or tailings. So we got our men and equipment, material out. Got any questions, guys?
Yeah. So how many mines are above us?
We have 6 levels above us. 7 levels total in here. We have 6 floors above us.
How many feet in between each?
That varies. As we get better with our technology, our floors get further apart because we are able to stope out farther. The older timers, their 4 levels were very close to each other. They came in, mined out a little bit, came out, drilled another hole in, mined a little bit out, and pulled it out. So they vary. From here, guys, we're at 10,000 feet right here. That bunkhouse in our top shaft is at 2,080 feet above us.
How high?
2,080 feet above us, so
Above.
1,280. And we're sitting at 10,000 right here. So guys, we're almost right underneath that bunkhouse right now.
Do they ever blacklight this, like this vein here? Look at it under black light or
We've
anything?
done extensive core samples through here. We've had companies that come in here and spent millions of dollars just to find out and prove to ourselves, once again, this mountain is empty.
Yeah,
It is empty.
Sure
The
it
quartz that's running through here, guys, is just that, quartz. It doesn't have any goodies with it.
yeah.
We found all those goodies, and they were up with us.
Is there still stuff up above? None.
No. We've done core samples. We've spent millions of dollars sampling this mountain, and every time we've proved to ourselves, once again, it's nothing here.
Yeah.
It's empty. There was little bitty pockets here, and we got it, and that was all there really was. But that's how mining goes, guys. It's a lot of hoping, a lot of dreaming, and a lot of somebody's paychecks.
Yep.
All right, guys, let's take a little walk down